So we have this equation, 6 plus 10 divided by 2, parenthesis 7 minus 2. Now when you have a number next to a parenthesis, this actually means multiplication. So many people think that we start with the parenthesis, so 7 minus 2 equals 5, and we're left with 6 plus 10 divided by 2 times 5. And then they think that the multiplication has a higher priority than division and addition. So 2 times 5 is 10, and we're left with 6 plus 10 divided by 10. And again, they look and think division has a higher priority than addition. So 10 divided by 10 equals 1. And we're left with 6 plus 1, which equals 7. Well, that is wrong. Then we have people that think that the parenthesis has a higher priority, and 7 minus 2 equals 5, and we're left with 6 plus 10 divided by 2 times 5. And then they think we work left to right. So 6 plus 10 equals 16 divided by 2 times 5. And 16 divided by 2, working left to right, would be 8 times 5, which equals 40. And again, that answer is incorrect. So to solve this, we need to use the order of operations, or PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction, where multiplication and division having the same priority, as well as addition and subtraction also having equal priority. Then we need to work left to right, with the highest priority on the left being parenthesis, and the lowest priority on the right being addition and subtraction. Now we know the order of operations, we can solve this. And we start with the parenthesis having the highest priority, so 7 minus 2 equals 5, which leaves us with 6 plus 10 divided by 2 times 5. Now looking at this new equation, we have an addition, a division, and a multiplication. And both the multiplication and division have a higher priority than the addition. We need to work left to right. So the first thing we need to do is 10 divided by 2, which equals 5. So we are left with 6 plus 5 times 5. And then we look at this next equation, and the multiplication has a higher priority than the addition. So 5 times 5 equals 25, and we are left with 6 plus 25, which equals 31.